you and the planet Venus, how Venus affects your birth chart. How does Venus impact us? Well, Venus is the planet of love and pleasure, and Venus determines how we show affection and enjoy beautiful things. Venus is also very powerful in how we can give desirability to our personal allure, the kind of sex appeal that we possess. When you look at the position of Venus in your birth chart, you can find answers to such questions as: what kind of lover do I attract? Am I flirtatious? Do I enjoy love affairs? Or do I rather get disappointed by them? Where are my creative talents? From the early times on, Venus was in mythology the goddess whose dominion was love and our emotions. Venus was the one teaching us the art of seduction, and her great powers over the ruling of our hearts is legend. She even stole, and even today steals, the wits of the wise. Because Venus is extremely beautiful, there are flowers growing wherever she walks. The goddess Venus was seen as being temperamental and self-indulgent, and at times could even be spiteful. In astrology, Venus rules over love affairs, art and beauty, adornment and decoration, social crazes, affection, harmony, and friendship. The planet Venus governs our higher emotions, and Venus is the greatest gift, the gift of happiness. Venus is said to make our lives beautiful, and the influence of Venus in your birth chart relates to the opposite sex, whether you are popular and make friends easily, and also if you are artistic inclined. It rules your ability to love and to share with others, and governs your choice of gifts, cosmetic, flowers, and art objects. Being the planet of pleasure, Venus points to the kind of amusements you may be drawn to and how you spend your money. When Venus is prominent in your horoscope, you are usually a delightful companion, very easy to get along with, and you have an eye for design and beauty and good taste in dressing up and present yourself in appealing ways. The other side of Venus's influence is that it can encourage a person to put too much emphasis on pleasure, ease, and luxury than on self-discipline. There can be a strong streak of narcissism and a lack of willpower indicated at a certain combination in your chart. The planet Venus never travels far away from the Sun. In your horoscope, it is always either in your Sun sign or in one of the two signs immediately preceding or following your Sun sign. There is an astrological look at Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, a little over 67 million miles away, and Venus is sometimes called the Earth's sister. Venus is very similar to the Earth in size, mass, and density, and no other planet comes as near to us in its orbit. The orbit of Venus lies between us and the Sun and is an almost perfect circle. Venus takes 225 days to complete its journey around the Sun. Like Mercury, the planet at times appears to us as a morning star and an evening star. In ancient days, astronomers thought it was two separate stars, one that announced the morning and the other one that closed the doors in the evening. Although Venus is very near to us, its surface has been a mystery due to the impenetrable veil of clouds that surround Venus. Recent space probes have shown that Venus has a hard crust like the Earth, and radar observations show a smooth surface covered with stones. The thick and heavy cloud covering Venus has been analyzed as composed of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. The light of the sun is reflected on the clouds of Venus, which makes Venus shine so brightly in the heavens. The soft and beautifully luminous appearance of Venus has always fascinated humankind. So that was Venus. Next one comes up in a while. Okay?